The hoteling model helps us understand why similar businesses often end up right next to each other. Let us break down this classic economic theory. At its heart, the model explains the tendency for competitors to cluster together, rather than spreading out to cover different areas. By positioning in the middle, a business ensures it is never too far from any potential customer, effectively capturing half the market. The model assumes customers buy based on proximity, and businesses want to minimize the distance they have to travel to reach those buyers. While society might prefer businesses spread out for convenience, the businesses themselves are incentivized to cluster to protect their market share. When businesses cluster in the center, the total distance customers must travel across the whole market often increases significantly. It is a counterintuitive result, where the push for market dominance leads to less variety for the consumer. Next time you see two gas stations across the street from each other, you are seeing the hoteling model in action. Thanks for watching.